main garden of Beach Luxury Hotel, dotted by majestic palm trees, was the venue where opening ceremony of the 2.5-day-long 8th Karachi Literature Festival was held. Following a performance by jazz guitarist Asif Sinan, founder KLF and MD Oxford University Press Amina Sayyed delivered welcome speech. She informed that 200 speakers were scheduled to share their perspectives in 80 sessions. Former Vice-Chancellor Karachi University Dr. Pirzada Qasim, while talking to News Pakistan TV, maintained that by means of this festival, writers were getting global recognition. A number of diplomats also spoke on the occasion. Indian High Commissioner said that India wished to see a Pakistan that is at peace with itself. One of the top 5 highest-selling authors in India, Preeti Shinoy, speaking to News Pakistan TV, said,
"Literature and art can be, messengers of peace. I do believe that literature and art should be without borders."
Consul General Great Shelton said that USA was helping 1.7 million Pakistani children learn to read. KLF Pepsi Prize went to Yasmin Khan's The Raj of War. Umar Shahid Hamid received KLF Gets Pharma Prize for his book The Spinner's Tale. KLF Infaq Foundation Prize for Urdu Literature was given to Nasir Abbas Nayyar. Simi Wajahat, President French Speakers Association, said,
"We get to hear our masters, the masters of fiction here, and otherwise Urdu and English. I think it's great to see young people coming. It's great to see everyone coming and listening to all kinds of debate. That's the greatest part of it."
Aisha Jalal, giving her keynote speech, observed that the 1977 to 1988 Zia regime led to religious extremism. In his keynote address, Mustansir Hussain Tarar too was critical of issues like vanishing of bloggers. A large number of students visited KLF. A media studies pupil said,
"It is very beneficial literature festival and बहुत ज़्यादा enjoy किया हमने और हमारे लिए जो है बहुत ज़्यादा ये beneficial है। हम सबको इस तरह के festivals जो हैं वो attend करने चाहिए."
During a session titled Pakistan, a Fragile State or a Resilient Nation, Mia Raza Rabbani asked what was done to contain the enemy within. Nasira Iqbal spoke against the formation of military courts. Zafar Hilali vehemently advocated possession and usage of nuclear weapons while participating in a session on security or economics. A mushaira was also part of the festival in which amateurs were allowed to recite side by side poets like Anwar Shaur. Shabnam held that sports and arts should not be politicized. In the absence of activities for the little ones, most of them were seen looking for children's books at stalls. 200,000 men, women and children visited the 8th Karachi Literature Festival.